name is Nosso. I'm here to tell you more about cough syrup, this Cardifen cough syrup. Many out there have been hearing Cardifen, and many will be asking what is it for. This is the best cough syrup that is good for dry cough and any kind of cough that you've been experiencing, both for child and adult. Is very good. Each time you are having cough syrup, go for Cardifen. Cardifen is the best cough syrup ever.